You can also easily work around with 4-point and 5-point perspective grid inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to go around onto the guides tab right here on the right hand side, and then you can click on the plus button, and here you can see there's 4-point and then there's 5-point perspective right here. So when you go to 4-point, what happens is that you get this, let's say, distorted like look right here. And that is what is meant by 4-point perspective, as you can see. So as I click, you can see that the lines are not straight. They are more like a curve right here, as if the lens is zoomed out, as you can see right here. So that is the 4-point grid right here, as you can see. So this is the 4-point continuous perspective grid. So let me just go around and disable this and create out a new layer right here. So instead of 4-point, let's go to 4-point perspective vertical pen right here. And now you get a different sort of perspective right here, like a vertical pen right here, as you can see. So apart from that, you can also go for 5-point perspective, which is more like a fish eye effect, as you can see right here, which is circular. So you see all of the angles right here. And you can draw on perspective of a fish eye right here. So I can go around over here onto, let's say, new layer, and then let me just hide the one below, and you can see that now I can draw in a fish eye perspective right here, where the lines are not totally straight, but they are in a fish eye perspective, just like this. So this is how it actually works right here. And then you can work around with the number of lines, as you can see right here, just like this. You can increase and decrease this over here, just like this, to increase and decrease the detail of this. And over here, you can also go around and then you can change around the alignment of guide to draw freely over here, or click on this again to draw it online, just like this. So that is how you can work around with 4-point and 5-point perspective grid inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.